Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here actually in Frisco, Texas at the Northfork at Lexington Ranch. Northfork at Lexington Ranch. So these are very new, just very recently completed apartments. They're in Frisco, Texas. And let's talk about the area. So this area is really, really good. First of all, it's Coit. It's off of Coit. It's really close to 121. So it's kind of the eastmost part of Frisco. Frisco's a really growing hot area. It's been growing for over a decade, 2 decades really. And it's a very clean, very fresh, very secure feeling area. People love it. There's so much to do here. Well, so this is located north of the 121, which kind of goes east and west. This location is near the Four Corners. Let me tell you what the Four Corners is. That's basically where you can quickly get to Plano, Frisco, Allen, and McKinney, and it's very quick to do that from this location. This is also near some beautiful houses and housing subdivisions. So if you're coming here and you need to lease for maybe a year or so before you buy, this is a great area. It's good for families. It's also, if you just want a quiet apartment in a safe area, this is also a great place for you. It really is more of a residential area. It's quiet, so that's why someone will live here. It's close to West Plano. It's close to Allen, McKinney, Richardson, and you can just jump on 121 and get to almost any place you need, including the airport. So that's a little bit about the area here. Now, let's go ahead and walk through the lobby and see what that looks like. This is the leasing lobby, and then it's got an amenity I want you to see. So let's do that right now.